Up for sale, 1976 G20 van. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 76 G20 Shorty van with a sliding side door, one owner, original paint. Factory ordered 400, and just alone on those few notes, so cool. And again, what does it have? One owner things. You got the spoiler, you got the fender flares, you got the side pipes, you got the captain seats with the little skirts. So people, you know, in the back can't see you, you can't see in the back. Where do I even begin on this? Of course, original paint. You get some faded, you get some primer, you get the original maroon. And again, I just love that it just shows that little bit of wear over time on it. The side pipes are actually super cool. It's got the custom wheels on there as well. And loaded with Ziebart tabs. So when I open up, I'm going to show you the door jamb here for a second. When you open it up, you see rust-proofing tabs throughout. See more over here. And just absolutely preserved this truck. It's about 95% rust-free. Body-wise, the underneath is immaculate. You even got the Jesus Rules license plate frame on there. Chin strap, spoiler in the front. And again, all the original trim, bezels, grill, stuff like that. Just super neat. When I got it, the spoiler was off. And I put it on just to opt for it. And it's a little, looks like it's a little warped. So, I mean, okay, you know, it looked great without it. I still think it looks cool with it. But that's, I guess, is just, you know, an up to you kind of a thing to do. When I say 95% rust-free, I'd like to just, you know, go ahead and show it out. Of course, on the most susceptible area, that sliding door. And really, not even that bad. No Bondo, no replacement, you know, panels, no repainted areas. Now, before I go there, the 400 was rebuilt completely top to bottom. And actually, let me, you know, pop the hood here. Oh, and another little area, or just a little right there that you see. So 95%. Again, the underneath, inner rockers, frame floors, amazing. The 400 was rebuilt, top to bottom. And let me just get this thing up here. Trying to support it with my shoulder as I hold the camera. There we go. Actually was just supporting it with my head there. Now let's take a peek in there. What is that? First off, aluminum intake. What? Edelbrock Carb. Edelbrock aluminum heads. So it's got the Edelbrock, what are they called? Performance pack. So heads, intake, carb. I had a bill. My mechanic misplaced it. I'm furious. $5,600 just to assemble that, not including the cost of those parts. And then the bottom half, which they couldn't find the paperwork for, was completely overhauled as well. So this engine is like brand new. It also looks like it's got an updated pulley system on there. Looks like the AC has been gone through as well. And just clean. I love this. I got to take a picture of that. See the power brakes there. And just look, you see more Ziebart tabs in here. You see the original sticker in there. It's a 400 truck from what I found out. A lot of them were ordered with 6 cylinders. There it is, V8 400, 6.6 liter. You know, more tabs there. And just neat. It's also got roller rockers on there. I mean, there's a ton of money invested into this engine. The transmission had also been worked on as well, and I was told it's got like a 410, 411 rear in the back. That's what I was told, like, you know. So, again, natural patina, you know I love this stuff. Well, I spent a lot of time myself on the body, just lightly going over it, because there was that film of like an oxidation on here, and I removed it all, and it just looks neat the way it is. The way the truck sits, I would love to just see it with a satin clear over it just to preserve everything. And again, even here, you know, no bubbles, no rust, nothing. Original bumpers on the back as well. You got the doors with the, you know, natural progression. Every area, you know, wears differently over time. But anyway, let's hop on in here. Again, the paint on the door is sweet. Shiny, looks awesome. You know, no rust under the doors. No rust here. This is all mint. I know I showed you this already. This looks super nice. There's the VIN tag. More tabs. Ignore the duster. But here's the captain's chairs. Those look sweet. You got the rubber mat down there still. Let me just zoom out here. You got the right steering wheel, the right dash, the gauges. You got the console. And again, no cracks in the dash. Just neat. Got the right horn. 90,000 miles, which makes sense. Tilt column. So it looks and appears that he started to do your typical wood paneling, and I know that the owner did pass away at one point, so we never finished this project. But there's some of the wood paneling, there's some of the insulation that would have been covered with the paneling. You've got armrests on the seats, stuff like that on both sides. And I know the rubber mat's here, but like, look how super nice that floor is over there. There's your little curtain that I was talking about. And of course, the way the engine is with the carburetor and all that, you want a couple pumps, it fires right up, but it being built up, it's cold-blooded, so you got to let it warm up nicely before you do, get in and start moving it. And I have learned from experience to watch the side pipes when you're getting out. Just ignore this box here. But again, probably would have been covered with the wood paneling. And then just zooming in here, I did take pictures. Super nice under there. I mean, just really impressive. You see more tabs here. Again, this is all rust-free and original. More tabs up there. I mean, I've never seen so many tabs on a vehicle from Ziebart. And just back out a little bit. You see the wood paneling. You see some on top. And again, I believe the intention was going to be continuing to, finish this. Put a bed here, take naps when you want. But there's some of that there. I can't wait to show you that door. That door is awesome. We are going to fire it up, let you hear it run, and then get in it for the driving after showing it drive. Always got to be delicate. I know these are susceptible to not working. I'm always overly careful, but there you go. It looks so cool. Imagine the A-Team getting out of here. More tabs in there, more tabs in here. And I know you saw the paint was super nice there. No rust here. More tabs. I mean, just super neat. And again, pull it. Slide it. Lock her in. More tabs. One in there. No rust there. And even like on top, you see how shiny that paint is. More tabs. All the way down. And here you can see that floor that I'm talking about, how well maintained that is. But it will be for sale later today on the website nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you'd like to go ahead and check it out. If you have any questions, send us a message, email, phone call. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. And again, here, look how nice this is. I mean, I'm just impressed how shiny this door jamb paint is when you really get up on it and look at it. Just like the paint on the doors itself. And yeah, like I said, 76 G20 Shorty van, one owner, original paint, 400 rebuilt, and just honestly a real specimen of a truck, solid wise, underneath wise, engine wise. But like I said, we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you. love this ever since I heard about it.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like it.
Yeah. My friend was like, Andrew, one owner, van, original paint. I said, yes, please. I just think they're so cool.
Plus, it's got the souped up owner.
Yeah. Oh, and it's got headers,
Yeah.
which I didn't mention.